shoot. Any questions if you like asking me? I hope people don't think that I'm weird here. ऐसा लग रहा है as if I'm talking to myself only. There's this coffee blender जिसकी आवाज़ आ रही होगी आप लोगों को, but yeah, I hope everyone is fine. Because it's not possible सबसे बात करना, but always know that क्या बोलूँ, thankful and grateful. Yeah, but yes, any questions, shoot. I'll try to hide जितना हो सके. Hide as in I'll try to answer in such a manner that I don't, open up about the entire thing. But yes, you can shoot. I mean, you can question me. Well, I'm in Mumbai. Like someone asked me where am I? So I said Mumbai. And which ways, I just came to like because you guys asked me to, and I'm gonna stay here for 5 minutes only because I have other work to do. And Dracula teeth. Yes. Yeah. When will your own songs when am I gonna upload my own songs? So there's this planning. I have already composed the song. Vatsal is working with the music thing and after the music is done, I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna sing, and basically I have composed the song, I have written as well, and we are planning to upload it New Year पे, as in not New Year के night पे, but after New Year, as in the first week of January, New Year वाला thing. So this is what I'm planning for right now, and yeah. Am I thinking about marriage? Definitely yes. कौन सी लड़की शादी के बारे में नहीं सोचती, but not now. I would definitely love to focus on my career as of now. उसके बाद I'll try to find someone good for myself. And ज़रा क्या हुआ देवा? Yes. उसकी वीडियो शूट नहीं हो पाई अब तक, इसीलिए शायद वीडियो शूट करना है, उसके बाद ही मैं आप लोगों को सुना पाऊँगी. मतलब आई कैन अपलोड इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड ज़रा जिसको कवर मैंने बनाया है या फिर वत्सल कमेंट, वो दैट इज़ ओनली फॉर माई इंस्टाग्राम, नॉट फॉर माई यूट्यूब. बट Pratama, you are my favorite. The game is cool. Okay, hi cool. And season 2 कब आएगा? See, to be very frank, हमें नहीं पता कि season 2 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. आता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. If I can be a part of it, I definitely love to be. But the ball is not in my hand, so I can't say anything about it. And hi Mr. Love from Assam. Assam कब आओगे? See, it has been years and I was planning to go to Assam before going to Kolkata this time. But वो possible नहीं हो पाया due to certain reasons, So it ended in such a way कि my mom and my sister went and they came back and I just could go till Kolkata, but I couldn't go to Assam. But I'm definitely planning, शायद winter में I'm planning after all my work वाला thing. अच्छा, what is about this, comment pin कर दो. I just started checking my comment section and it has, मैं काफ़ी दिनों से check कर रही थी for real या some I forgot the name of that account, but I saw and it started from there and I started laughing though. Acha, any upcoming projects? Yes, definitely there is something or the other which I can't reveal now, but not for long term though. It's like for short days, and I'm hoping for the best. I'm looking forward to it, and until and unless I am given the permission to आप लोगों को बताने की permission दिया जाएगा, till that time I just have to be, तब तक I won't be able to say, and it will take long, बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसको, but yes, working on something or the other for sure. And और क्या questions है आप लोगों की? IIM कब start होगा? इशारों में I don't have any idea. अच्छा, क्या वो मूवी है या सीरियल? इट साउंड्स लाइक क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. Not a serial, but I can't say basically what it is exactly. It's a new kind of thing, but yeah, it is something. Lots of love from Assam, from Rajasthan. Same from my side. केवी करते हैं. ये क्या करता है केवी? Hello Misty. Hi Simran, how are you? When is your MV releasing with KV? Okay, so I'll have to know about that myself. Web series, yeah, maybe, I don't know. Meet and greet session, please. Plan something. Okay, and lots of love from Delhi. दिल्ली मैं बहुत जल्दी आ रही हूँ for some of my work stuff. काम के लिए हमेशा पता नहीं दिल्ली से क्या नाता है, घुमा फिरा के वहीं चली जाती somehow. So yeah, एक चीज़ तो है. And will we get to see you and KV in another project after? आँखें बंद करके, to be very frank, I don't know, but अच्छी बात होगी because you know, I love working with KV because he is we have such chill bond. I mean, we are good buddies, right? So I don't know कि you know, are we gonna work together in some other projects or not? But I'll definitely look forward to it. I mean, why not? Lots of love from Ranchi. Same here to all the Ranchi Vasio. Are you in flight with KV? What? Why should I be? Love from UP. Same from this side. What role you would like to act in future? कोई मुझे ना हांसल एंड ग्रेटल का, अगर आपने मूवी देखी हो, वहाँ पे ग्रेटल का जो रोल था, यू नो, फाइटिंग ऑफ ऑल द इविल्स एंड डार्क थिंग्स, एंड उसके हाथ में स्वॉर्ड एंड गन्स एंड एवरीथिंग थे, एंड शी वाज वेरी रफ एंड ऐसा करके रनिंग फ्रॉम वन, रोलिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द जंगल्स एंड ट्रीज एंड जस्ट कटिंग एवरीथिंग. That is gonna be the one that I'm gonna enjoy. It's going to be tough for me, but I'm gonna enjoy. And Shahjahanpur, love from Shahjahanpur. Same. Lots of love from Himachal. Same goes for you guys as well. See, I'll try to come live more often. दरअसल टाइम भी नहीं मिलता, and sometimes आपके पास टाइम नहीं होता है, घर पे भी आप होते हो तो कुछ ना कुछ काम आ ही जाती है, तो you don't actually get the time to check everything. And you know, मेरे कमेंट नहीं पढ़ रहे, आप इतनी बड़ी फ़ैन हो तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बाबा, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. इतने टेक्स्ट आ रहे हैं तो मैं सब रीड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. इफ़ आई मिस समथिंग देन आई एम रियली सॉरी. एनी रियलिटी शो? नो, नॉट एज ऑफ नाउ. झांसी कब आओगे? बुलाओ तो सही, क्यों नहीं आऊँगी. लव फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश. सेम, तुम देखी हो. लव फ्रॉम KKR. कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स कैसे आ गए? कोलकाता. सेम. And am I missing some important acting करना है मेरा? आप कोशिश करो, क्यों नहीं होगा, ज़रूर. चंडीगढ़ कब आओगे? आई लव द प्लेस. या एंड आई वॉज प्लानिंग लाइक व्हेन माई फ्रेंड प्रीत केम हियर, मैंने उसको बोला था कि while I go to complete my whatsoever I'm doing in Delhi, after that I'm planning to go to Chandigarh. Let's see, I don't know, because I love the place. It's beautiful and the weather is amazing, and the fruits and vegetables, everything is so good, so fresh. Love from Silchar. I miss Silchar. Mauritius. Love from Mauritius. Same to you guys. When will you come to Ahmedabad, Gujarat? बुलाओ, क्यों नहीं आऊँगी. Invite me. Arrange something. Your lip shade, which brand? I use different brands basically lip shades के लिए. I have, पता नहीं अब कौन सा. I guess mixed 2 to 3 lip shades together. Love from Pakistan. Okay, love from Visakhapatnam, love from Kolkata, love from Kenya. Thank you so much. मैं बुला रही हूँ, प्लीज़ कम टू भोपाल। आप बुलाओ, नहीं ऐसे नहीं बुलाने का मतलब, इन्विटेशन प्रॉपर भेजो मुझे, सो दैट आई गेट अ वे टू यू नो सी यू गाइज एंड मेक अ वे टू यू गाइज. Your voice is so. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Any other questions? Any other questions? I'm just answering. We are yet to see your classical dance. Oh, so you guys know well. I'm a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. I took workshop for Kathak dancing as well, and I know Indian folk dance as well. And I do normal dance. Dancing related something I guess future में आ सकता है. Not sure, but I'm just saying. No reality shows though. That's something, you know. Don't rush back today from this life. यार Dara Singh Khurana, I might. I just got a call. Hold. Yeah, hello. Hi, hi. What's up? No, I'm just doing a live. All right. Yeah. ठीक है. Thank God I have. अच्छा, did I miss any questions? Some dance reels, please. I'll definitely do that. I need someone to hold my camera and make a video of my part. तो मैं कर लूँगी. ये कमेंट इग्नोर करोगे तो 2 साल की रेड लैम्प तत्तू. No way. Love from Assam, same, yeah. And then what? Oh. Then are we recording the new song? Vatsal, tu bol if you're free right now, because I guess I have to go to the. I'll text you inbox, man. Then we'll plan out something, you know. And what? Thank you. Acha, any more questions? Because I'm just, you know, Acha. Then we're gonna see you on screen. I hopefully soon. And what's new that's happening around? Nothing. मैं coffee पीने आई हूँ. Nothing else happening around. The upcoming projects I already told. Say something. की बोलबो? Just sing one. Are you kidding me? अभी मतलब, you know, I am not at my home. I am you know, sitting outside somewhere and very chilling. Sorry Karan, would you like to come and join me in this live? Should I add you up, sir? I don't know, I invited Mr. Conversation. अगर वो accept करते तो well and good, guys. You're gonna see Shak in this live again. I watched Isharu mein repeated because of you. Thank you so much. Even I love the character of Pariniti Ganguly. And oh my God, who is this? Where are you going, sir?
I'm going for shoot. Yeah, what's up?
अरे यार, हमें भी काम दे दो, you know, हम भी shoot करेंगे फिर. अच्छा, people were asking me कि when are we gonna see Karanveer and Dibathama together किसी भी project में, upcoming, you know, work or something. तो क्या जवाब देना है? मैं आपको ही पूछ रही हूँ live, because I told them we definitely love to be a part, but we can't.
एक तो मुझे ना आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छी तरह.
Because I can see a coffee blend. That's a nice one.
I don't know if I'm answering the thing. What was the question again?
So people wanted to know when are they gonna see us together? Are they gonna see us together in any projects or something? So sir, do you have any idea about doing some reels or something for them? Should we plan it out someday? Reels बनाने का? सर आप invite कीजिए, मैं आपके घर तक आ जाऊँगी.
आपको उससे बड़ी न्यूज़ बतानी है कि हमारा सॉन्ग कब रिलीज हो रहा है. वो डेट आप रिलीज करेंगे कि हम करेंगे कि कौन करेगा?
नहीं, सॉन्ग के अलावा that's what they asked, you know, after
सॉन्ग के अलावा तो we can definitely कैन डेफिनेटली डू दैट, वी कैन डेफिनेटली। अरे उस गाने का करते हैं ना यार, वो गाना बहुत अच्छा है, ये तो तुम्हें कहा ही था, वो गाना तुमने गाया भी बहुत अच्छा है, जरा जरा का जो कवर है। और तुम्हारा ओरिजिनल भी तो है, तुम्हारा ओरिजिनल बनाओ
See,
यार। मुझे मुझे तुम्हें देखना
मैं
है
बता
कि
रही हूँ
इस
बहुत ही
टाइम पे
जल्दी
तुम
मैंने
एक्चुअल पियानो के साथ क्या
अनाउंस भी
कर
कर
रहे
दिया है। सर excuse me, hi, hello Mr. Kevin, hey, hi. I have already announced in this live कि I'm gonna upload my own self-composed song in January's first week, मतलब New Year.
हो। ओ वाओ, हाउ नाइस,
I mean, people might think I'm crazy to be very frank because I'm just literally.
गुड।
I love the song.
व्हाट सॉन्ग?
Something. So good. It's so catchy.
पता है लाइव में एक तो ना सुनाई नहीं देता है कुछ, क्या गाना चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में, पूरा एकदम मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स काइंड ऑफ वियर्ड, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर प्रूविंग टू, बट या इट्स ओके, इट्स कूल, वी डोंट जज यू।
I try to put the camera over.
अच्छा, एनीवेज, यहाँ पे भी लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं कि क्या कर रहा है। चल अब आगे हम, I don't want to be breaking any rules. Take care.
Bye bye. Take care, David. Alright, guys. Let me go back home and then, if not today, some other day I'll try to come live me and try to answer some other questions of yours. Till then, please take care, stay blessed, and bye, guys. Lots and lots of love. Lots and lots of love.